Question 9. Praveen, Mahendra and Arvind are the partners of a partnership firm. So, first write down Praveen, Mahendra and Arvind. Now their profit and loss sharing ratio is 5:2:2. Sharma?
It is the old ratio.
Yes, old ratio. And 5:2:2 means?
5 by 9, 2 by 9 and 2 by 9.
Yes, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. So 5 by 9, 2 by 9, 2 by 9. So now, further, all the partners have decided to change their profit and loss ratio to 2 by 9, 3 by 9 and 4 by 9 as new ratio. Zahir?
2 by 9, 3 by 9 and 4 by 9.
Which ratio?
New.
New ratio 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9. Directly given to you. Now, from this information, find out what sacrifice has been made by which partner by underlying using sacrifice formula. Means first we have to solve it using sacrifice formula. Then below that, from above information by using gain formula, find out what sacrifice has been made by which partner underlying gain formula. Means we have to solve this 2 times. First using sacrifice ratio formula, then again we have to solve it using gain ratio formula. So first using sacrifice ratio formula. Nandini, what's the formula?
Old ratio minus new ratio.
Old share minus new share. Yes, tell me for Praveen.
5 by 9 minus 2 by 9.
Silence everyone. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9.
2 by 9. 81 upon 81, 45 and minus 89.
So now, when both the denominators are 9, why too complicated? Why to do it 9 into 981? I told you yesterday, that's why I explained you both the methods. Directly 5 minus 2 by 9 denominator is same, LCM is 9 itself. How many of you did 81? Raise your hand. Genius. I discussed it yesterday, that's the reason I compulsorily made everyone solve by both the methods one question. And I told you certain situations it will be totally useless to do by product method. When denominator is already same, then why to do this? Maths is not so poor subject also. So 5 minus 2 by 9 straight away 3 by 9. 45 minus 45 minus 18. That you get is 27 by 81. Then again you divide both of them by 9 and get 3 by 9. Why do complex? So simple. 5 minus 2, 3 by 9. Is everyone clear with this? So for Mahendra 2 by 9 minus 3 by 9. 2 minus 3 by 9 minus 1 by 9. For Arvind 2 by 9 minus 4 by 9. 2 minus 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Now, where will we remove the denominator? In the positive number or the negative? Negative, because there are 2 negatives. So if you remove the denominator, 1 is to 2. And negative in sacrifice means it is gain ratio. In sacrifice, the negative answer means it is gain ratio. And 3 by 9 is actually the sacrifice. Okay? Any confusion in that? Same thing we again have to solve it by gain ratios formula, and same answer we should be able to get. So gain ratios formula is new share minus old share, means new share 2 by 9. All of you able to understand this? Minus old share 5 by 9. 2 minus 5 by 9 minus 3 by 9. Negative means? In a gain ratio, negative means it is sacrifice. Able to understand this? Here 3 by 9 minus 2 by 9. 3 minus 2 by 9, 1 by 9. Then 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9. 4 minus 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Two positive answers will remove the denominator. So 1 is to 2. Here, sacrifice. No, gain ratio. In gain ratio, positive answer is a gain, so gain ratio. Both the answers, the final comment will remain same. They are just two different ways of solving it. Is everyone clear with this? So write that statement thus. Sacrifice of Praveen is 3 by 9. Sacrifice of Praveen is 3 by 9, which is gained by Mahendra and Arvind in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So 99% chances this should only be for 3 marks in exams. Other topics what we'll solve in this chapter will help us for chapter 5 and 6. And I expect everyone must be able to score full 3 marks. Very scoring. Okay. Now next topic in the summary I told you to leave.